Hi everyone. So welcome to the stream today. Very much excited for having you. It's been a while since we had a discussion. Let me know in the chat box how you've been so far and the subjects that you are planning on writing in November 2020. Comment in the chat box, let me know. And also give us a like or a thumbs up. Jacob Akia, I see you in the chat box. I don't know, but your message has been retracted. I don't know about that. So comment in the chat box. Yeah, I see a thumbs up on the video. Thank you. Comment in the chat box. What subjects are you writing? And is my audio okay? We are on a different setup. So let me know if my audio is okay and my visibility is also okay. And then let's see. Want to do some Q&A sessions with you today and then discuss a number of things with you. So we are planning and then preparing for how we're going to be designing and going through our sessions this time around in order for you to actually prepare for your exams for the November sitting. Now, if you have any questions, please put it in the chat box for me. I would want to hear from you with any questions that you have. So you put them in the chat box, any questions you have for me. Put it in the chat box and then let's see what we got there. Want to share this real quick so we get into some discussions. Now, so we are planning on how we're going to be designing, and most importantly, the topics that I'm going to be covering, the key areas that I'm going to be covering going forward into the ICAG examination. And I want to know, so put it in the chat box, what topics would you want me to cover? In the chat box, what topics would you want me to cover? What things would you want me to share my thoughts on? And then let's see how it goes. Let's get this. All right, I see some of you joining the stream. Welcome to the stream. And Jacob Apia, I see a comment from you. You said, good evening. Yeah, good evening, Jacob. Please, where is your school located? We are located at Dacoman, near Dacoman Station, Jacob, in Accra. You can call or WhatsApp 050-114-9296, 050-114-9296. Let me know if my writing is inverted. I don't know if it is, because I'm seeing my view as though it's turning the other side. But up here, we are located at Dakoma, near Dakoma Station. You can call or WhatsApp 050-114-9296, 050-114-9296. Any questions you have, you put it in the comment box for me. Okay, the view is normal in here. I see that. Eureka, I see you. Good evening. Connection is bad. Not sure whether it's just in Zimbabwe. Okay, Eureka said the connection is bad. Is it from me? Like it's my video lagging, or from you, Eureka? Now, for those of you who are watching, maybe you can assist me. Let me know if the video is okay, the connection is stable. Like I said, we are on a new setup, so today is the first time that I'm trying the new setup on the live stream on YouTube. So let me know if the video is okay, the sound is okay. Eureka is saying that the video is not, or the connection is bad. So probably you can assist us. For those of you on the live stream, so we see. Emmanuel say, I see you. Good evening. I hope you're doing well. Okay, Jacob said, got the number. Thank you. You're welcome, Jacob. So you can reach us 050-114-9296 in that case. Okay. So let me know. We're going to be starting really with covering of key topics, key issues going into next week. But then what I want to do is to know the key areas that we're going to be covering, the core topics that we want us to cover. So in the chat box, comment in the chat box what topics you want to see more on the channel from next week, and me teaching on the live stream. So from next week, we're going to be teaching on the live stream, taking subjects, core areas, and talking about core issues. So what topics would you want me to cover? Don't give me subjects, okay? Subjects is too wide. So in FR, what do you want me to cover? In public sector, what would you want to see more on the channel? In financial management, what do you want to see on the channel? In taxation, what do you want to see on the channel? Put it in the chat box, the topical issues you would want me to cover on the channel, and then even questions that you want me to solve, because I'm very much excited for this season because my team has put together a lot of questions. We've put together a lot of questions covering various subjects on various topics: financial reporting, corporate reporting, management accounting, audit and assurance, financial management, public sector. A lot of questions are being put together so I can assist you better to prepare well for your examination. Okay, so I see some comments coming in. Emmanuel Osei said, my connection is stable and sound is also clear. Okay, Emmanuel, thank you very much. Samad Gates said, hello from India. Hello, Samad. Kwachi Isaac said, video quality is good and clear. Okay, that is awesome. So, Eureka, if you are watching, I guess probably you have a bad network today in Zimbabwe. Maybe it will get better tomorrow or by next week, I guess. All right, so Nhyira, I guess it will just be a network from your end, so you can check out that and then you'll be able to fix that up in that case. All right, so we're gonna be covering a couple of issues that you need to understand. Like I said, we're gonna go into live streaming very seriously. So let me just put a number here, 05011499296. If you have any inquiry or anything you want to inquire about or ask about, you can reach us on that line in that case. Now, so I want to know, okay, I want to know what topics would you want us to cover more on the channel? Because I don't want to just come up and teach something that will not be more interesting or something that people don't have problem with. So let me know in the chat box, what topics do you have challenge with? What topics would you want me to cover more on the channel, on the stream? So let me know in the chat box. For those of you who are on the stream right now, comment in the chat box. Let me know the topics you want us to cover more. And then give me a thumbs up on the video. That way we get more engagement on the video, and YouTube will be able to push the video so we can reach as many students as possible and be able to assist a lot of students across the country and across the continent. And your thumbs up will do a great job for us. And if you have not subscribed to the channel also, man, I don't know why you've not subscribed, but you've got to subscribe to the channel and become a VIP member on the channel. Now, a couple of things that we are also going to be doing going forward. Yes, our live stream sessions are still going to be at 4:30 p.m. Our live stream session is still going to be 4:30 p.m. And for those of you who follow me, you realize that we've launched a new channel called the Nhyira Premium Show. Now, on that new channel, what we want to do there is to cover other topical issues that we cannot cover on this main channel, because this main channel has become an academic channel covering issues in ACCA, ICAG, CFA, CIMA, and other issues. But then there are other things also that people ask about that I need to cover. So that is why we've created another YouTube channel, a dedicated channel. I'm going to link it in the description to this video. It's called the Nhyira Premium Show. You can subscribe to the channel, and then I'll be sharing videos on Monday, on Wednesdays, and on Friday as well to talk about issues in relation to entrepreneurship, funding, business development, business strategies, and everything about starting a business, startups. We're going to be sharing those things on the channel. And then my interview, we are setting up a couple of interviews and a couple of sessions with some leaders and thought leaders that will be sharing those as well exclusively on the channel. Okay, I see a message or a comment from Yaya Fofana. Good evening, sir. I'm testing from Freetown, Sierra Leone. Thanks so much for your online class. Please, sir, can you help me with your private number, private WhatsApp number, or private mail? Okay, your message is hidden because I don't allow contacts or email to be shared on the live chat. So this is what you can do. Hey, Tijani, I see you. You are in the house. You are welcome to the stream. Give me a thumbs up on the video, Tijani, and then also share. So, Yaya from Sierra Leone, you can WhatsApp me on this line, 050-114-9296, 050-114-9296. Since you are outside of Ghana, you can start with +233. Okay, +233, that is a country code. So +233-50-114-9296, +233-50-114-9296. So you can WhatsApp on that line, and then whatever inquiry you have, we'll be able to handle it either personally by me or my executive assistants will be able to assist you in relation to whatever inquiry that you have. Okay, Rita, I get you back, and then your network is a bit stable now. Right, so I was sharing with you that our live stream sessions are going to continue the way it has to continue. We paused a little bit over a few weeks. I think over a week ago or so, we paused a little bit because we were getting a better setup, better audio, so that we'll be able to really project and do what we need to do better. We were using the Zoom to be able to stream, and we're having challenges with the Zoom. So we wanted to really have a better streaming opportunity, better streaming interface, so you'll be able to see the content better and be able to relate also better. So now we are putting all of these together, and things are quite better now. Things are quite crispy now. I think the video quality is okay. The audio has also been confirmed to be okay. So our live stream is going to go back 4:30 p.m. each day. I'm going to come your way and answer any questions that you are having. And most importantly, we'll be sharing questions also or teaching you live. Abdullah, I see you. Hi there. Good evening from Somalia. Oh, Nhyira. Yeah, good evening, Abdullah. I hope you're doing well. Give me a thumbs up on the video when you join the stream. That way we get more engagement on the video, and YouTube will be able to push the video so we can reach as many students as possible. Now, one of the issues or one of the queries we've been having also lately is that some of you want send questions to us, and you want me to solve the questions for you. And the serious aspect of it is that people send the questions and then they demand solutions immediately, or they are demanding solutions like just there and there in that case. Please note that we have a large community and we receive a lot of questions coming in from Instagram, from Facebook, on WhatsApp, on Skype. We receive a lot of questions, and I'm not able to really get to all of them as much as possible. In addition to that also, you know, we have our courses available online. We have our online students there who are also sending in their queries, and we have to reply to them as well. So if you send questions or you send queries on, you send questions and you want it to be solved, if you want any assistance on question or something like that, it's better you send it ahead of time. That way, it will be forwarded to me, I will look at it, and I can assist you better in that case. But if you send questions right now and you say, I want the solution now, I can't do that. Especially for those of you who are doing your degrees, your MBAs or whatever, and then you are doing your take-home assignments and you are sending them up for me to assist you with. Unfortunately, I can't do that for you, okay? So we've had a couple of people, they send their questions in, then we ask them, what is it about? They said, okay, it's a take-home assignment. I don't do that. I don't assist students with take-home assignments. So if you send such questions, unfortunately, you will not get any response from me to answer it for you. What I do is, if you have so many questions you have problem with, then you can send the questions ahead of time, and we can look at it, and then if there is anything that we need to assist you with, I need to assist you with, that will be done for you in that case. So please take note of that. I see some comments coming in. Mustafa Tonkara, hi Mustafa, I see you. Mohammed Sakib, I see you. You are welcome to the stream. Good evening, I'm from Sierra Leone. And then Samuel Adanu, yes, Samuel. Okay, I see a thumbs up in the chat. Thank you for joining the stream. Okay, so we have a lot of people coming in here. I think we have Ghana, we have India, we have Sierra Leone, we have Zimbabwe, we have where is Somalia, and a couple of other people. That is great diversity of individuals coming in. So this is it. Let me know in the chat box, what topics would you want me to cover a lot on the channel going into the future with our live streams? What topics would you want to see more on the channel? Don't give me subjects, okay? Give me topics. Now, we have a couple of things in the pipelines that we want to share our thoughts on, but like I said, I want to know, what topics would you want me to share on? So put it in the chat box for me, what topics you want me to share on. Now, we have a couple of things that I'm going to be discussing with you as and when we proceed with our discussion here. Okay, I see another comment coming in. Nana Atrem, hi Nhyira, we've missed you. Welcome, say. Yeah, I miss you too, Nana. It's been a while. Well, thank you very much for the welcome. I wasn't gone, I wasn't away really. Only that we were trying to get a better setup for our live streams because we're having some challenges with our sound, with our live stream softwares and other things. So we wanted to, I stepped back so that the team could get us a better setup so we can have a better experience on our live streams. That is why it's been a while since you see me or you saw me on the live stream. But hey, we are back and we are back for good. Now the setup is okay and I'm very much excited about it. So Nana Atrem, we're going to be continuing with the live stream and providing you with our assistance, answering the questions that you are having, and then providing you with anything that you need in order for you to prepare well for your examination and most importantly, take your career to the next level. So comment in the chat box any questions you have for me, and then what topics you would want me to cover going forward. What topics you would want me to cover going forward. It is something that I want to know about so we can schedule our things, our days about it. So we could even have a timetable for the whole week so that on Monday, you know what we are covering. On Tuesday, you know what we are covering. On Wednesday, you know what we are covering ahead of time. And that will help you to plan your schedules. That will help you to plan your things so that you will be able to know exactly what it is you need to do in that case. Abdullah said, I want to share with you a platform which enables people to showcase their knowledge. I want to get in touch with you on Facebook to talk further about it. Will that be possible? Will that be possible? Whatever inquiry you have, Abdullah, you can reach it, you can channel it on this line, and it will be looked at. And then if I need to schedule a Skype meeting with you, if we can schedule a Skype meeting. So Abdullah, you can reach this number with any inquiry that you have on what you want to discuss with me. +233 since you are outside Ghana, 5011492996, +233 5011492996, or you can connect with me on Skype. My Skype ID is Premium Educator. Okay, Premium Educator. That is my Skype ID, Premium Educator, and I will be able to connect with you. So whatever inquiry you have, Abdullah, you can reach me on Skype or reach me on WhatsApp. My executive assistant will look at whatever inquiry you have and then schedule a meeting, and then we can be on the call and I will be able to take whatever you have for me and discuss with you. Abdullah, Abdul Salam, Saidu, I see you. Let's get some water into the system real quick. So Abdul Salam, Salifu, I see you. Welcome to the stream. Yaya Fatah said, yes, sir, it's Yaya again from Freetown, Sierra Leone. Sir, what are the difference between public sector account and finance accounting? Is it financial accounting you want to say? Yaya, maybe you can clarify that. But public sector accounting simply has to do with accounting in the public sector, right? So it has to do with how public sector, government institutions collect information, accounting information, record those accounting information, classify those accounting information, and then prepare and present the financial information into an understandable financial statement. Then if I get financial accounting has to do with how the private sector does its thing. So financial accounting is for the private sector, and then public sector is for the government organization. So how the government organization like Ministry of Education, Ministry of Finance, Ministry of Land, Ministry of Local Government, how do they collect information, classify those information, record those information, and prepare and present their financial statement? That is what public sector accounting is about. But the financial accounting has to do with how the private sector also collect, record, classify, prepare, and present financial statements to the understanding of third party. So that is the distinction there. Then, because private sector relates to the private organizations or private entities, private sector organizations usually report to their shareholders. Okay, so their shareholders, their stakeholder scope is a bit limited, but in public sector, the stakeholder scope is very large, because with the public sector, the media is a stakeholder, the citizens are stakeholders, IMF, World Bank, Controller, Accountant General, Auditor General, Minister of Finance, all of these people are stakeholders when it comes to the dealing with the public sector. So that is the distinction in relation to what you need to talk about. Mustafa said, okay, Mustafa, you have retracted your comments, so restate it. I think you wanted to type something else, so restate it and then I'll be able to read it. Even though I saw it, you have retracted it, so I will not read it in that case. So, Yaya Fofana, I hope I have answered your question for you. Let me know if I have answered your question for you well in that case. If you have any other questions, if you have any other questions, you put it in the chat box for me. You put it in the chat box for me and I'll be able to answer that for you. Okay, so now on our live stream, we have planned out a couple of things that we need to look out for. Key subjects of focus that we want to look out for includes the following. Definitely, we'll be discussing issues about financial reporting. Okay, because we realize that it's one of the key areas that students make inquiry about or watch videos about. So we're going to be looking at that very well. Okay, thought I had a comment there. So definitely there will be a session on discussions on financial reporting. And then management accounting. Definitely another key area that students have inquiries on. So we're going to be covering something around that, financial management accounting. Then we will look at also public sector accounting and finance. Now, last semester, I think during conclusion of last semester, we did the issue about interpretation of financial statements, and I didn't cover the entire thing. So this semester, we're going to be covering that in much detail on the channel here as we continue with that. So Mustafa said, I would like you to treat cash flow statements with us. Okay, that is in financial reporting. So let me put that here. Cash flow statement. I don't think I have treated this on the channel, cash flow statement. So yes, comment in the chat box what topics you want me to cover, like what topics you want me to cover, and it will assist me a lot to plan out live streams so I can provide you with much information and much assistance. Nana Atrem said, Nhyira, I would like to draw you back a little. I'm starting level 1. Would you advise me for the 4 papers, and which papers are very strategic? Thanks. Okay, Nana Atrem. Like I say all the time, choosing of the number of papers to write, you have to take into consideration a lot of factors. I don't know whether you are married, whether you have children, what is your workflow like, and all of those schedules. So look at your time. If you have the time available, you can dedicate time to study, because it's going to require a lot of work to pass a paper. Not going to require a lot of work. So if you have the time and you think you have the luxury to study well, Now, remember, you need to attend lectures, okay? You need to attend lectures, which I know definitely you're going to be attending lectures. So get a tuition center and attend lectures. So in addition to that, you need to dedicate time to study. So if you think you have the time and you think you are willing to dedicate a minimum of 3 hours per week on your own to self-study, a minimum of 3 hours per week on your own to self-study per paper, then you may go for the 4. But if you think that you have tough schedules, you may not get time, and you don't want to really spread your wings, then maybe you can choose 2 papers to go for. Probably you can start with financial accounting and business law. Okay? Financial accounting and business law. So you can start with these 2. Now, this thing, like I say all the time, is not a marathon. Okay, it's not a 100 meters race and who is first, who is last. It is better. Okay, listen to this carefully, Nhyira. It is better to look at 2 papers, put in all your effort, put in all of your sacrifice, and pass it, rather than studying all the 4 and not putting in as much as you can, so that you don't pass all of them. So, like I said, if you have the time available, you think you can study, go for the 4. But if you think you don't have the time available, you can do financial accounting and business law first. Then, next semester, which is probably May 2021, you can then take the introduction to management accounting and the business management and information system. So that should be the guiding factor in that case. Okay, Yaya Fofana said, thanks, sir, for answering my question. All right, Yaya, that's a pleasure. Nana Achirem said, oh, single guy with single life. Yeah, I know. Those of you who are single and who have single life, you are the people 99% of the time who spend a lot of time on other things. Okay, so if you are single, it's good. But what is your workflow like? How do you spend your weekend? How do you spend your time? Because if you spend time hanging around with friends, watching telenovelas, watching Netflix, spending time chasing after some girls, and all of those things, then it's going to take away your time. But if you are dedicated and from work, maybe church or other things you do at home or something like that, then you go back to your book, then you can dedicate time to really do all the 4. But like I said, just look at your schedule, look at your workflow. It's going to require a lot of sacrifice. It's going to require a lot of work. If you think you have what it takes, then go for the 4. But if you think it will be problematic for you, especially starting from level 1, probably you don't have much accounting background, then it will be good to take it 2 by 2. Okay, it will be good to take it 2 by 2. So, Nana, let me know what it is. You can call or WhatsApp this line 050-114-9296, and then maybe we can get a little personal, because almost all the time when students are asking me questions about the number of subjects they want to write, and then should be the combination and all of that, I take into consideration a lot of factors. That is why I asked you, I don't know whether you are married or you have a job. So call me or WhatsApp me, and then we will see what we can do. We can get a much personal, and there are other questions that I need to ask you. Then we will now plan out your time, plan out your schedule. I will assist you to do all of that, so we can see how many hours you can have free every week. And then if you commit to that, you'll be able to really pass these exams as easily as possible. All right. So Nana Trend, that is what I have for you. Gloria Mine said, sorry if I mentioned your name wrong. Forgive me, okay, Gloria. So I'll stay with Gloria. Gloria, please, when will you start the public sector accounting? Okay, give me a topic, Gloria, in public sector accounting that you would want me to cover. Okay, I'm looking for topics. I've listed the subjects though, but give me a topic, all right? Because we want to get the topics you want us to cover or you want me to cover, then we can schedule. We can schedule so that we can schedule the whole week from Monday to Friday, we know the topics we're going to be treating, what subjects we'll be treating, and that will assist you to also plan, so you'll be able to join the stream, ask me questions, and I'll answer you the questions. So, Gloria, I will be very grateful if you can ask me, if you can state the topics, because this is from somebody, cash flow statement, and that is in financial reporting. It's a good thing. We're going to be looking at that. So give me a topic in public sector that you want me to cover in that case. Nana Atrem said, thanks for your advice. I don't have accounting background, but I've been motivating, but you've been motivating me through your podcast. God bless you. I'll call you. Amen. God bless you too. And thanks for that, that I've been motivating you. Thank you that I'm motivating you. So reach me out and then let's see how we can assist you, especially you don't have an accounting background. So I think it will be prudent for you to do 2 this semester and then dedicate a lot of time. Since you are single, that is also good. Okay, because if you are single, life is good. Because it's good to be single, you know. That way you are not under any obligation, that kind of thing. You can commit yourself and you can study, make and become a better version of yourself, all right? Kwesi Ofe, consolidated financial statements. I love that. You see why I said FR people will be taking over the house. So again, another thing in FR and corporate reporting, that is consolidated financial statements. Okay, that's great. We're going to be adding that as well to our text. So Kwesi Ofe said consolidated financial statement. So we're going to be looking at that. That is in. Now, Kwesi Ofe, let me know, are you a level 2 corporate report? Are you financial reporting or corporate reporting student? Kwesi Ofe, let me know if you are still on the stream. Are you a financial reporting or a corporate reporting student? So that we know the extent to which when I'm taking this, we will do. Because console in FR is different from console in CI. I hope you know that, right? So let's go there and then let me know if you are a level 2 or level 3 student. Yaya Fafana said, do you have a WhatsApp group? My WhatsApp group is strictly for our students, that is our paid students, okay? So our WhatsApp groups really strictly for our paid students. So those students who are paid and are learning under my mentorship directly, either online or via Zoom or our study portal, that is where we have the WhatsApp discussion. But we have a Facebook group, and that is for everybody. And there are times that we do some Q&A sessions in there, so you can join the Facebook group. I think the name is Premium Professional Hub. If you go to my Facebook page, under my Facebook page, you will see the link and you'll be able to join the group there. So that any questions you have, you put it in there. We have people that will be able to answer. I can also answer and do some Q&A sessions in there. So for WhatsApp group, our WhatsApp group is strictly for our paid students who we provide them with the assistance they need. Okay, Kwesi Ofe said corporate reporting. Then Yaya Fafana said, I'm doing my BSc Accounting and Finance presently. Oh, okay. Okay, that's great. So it means that there are a lot of things that you would be needing as well in some of the things that I'll be discussing, because they will be in your syllabus as you study BSc Accounting and Finance. Definitely some issues about cash flow, financial reporting, some little issues on management accounting will be there in your BSc Accounting and Finance, and then definitely some issues about investment appraisal and all that, and those are also still in management accounting in that case. So that's great to know, that's great to hear. Any other areas that you would want me to cover real quick? So financial reporting, man accounting, public sector accounting and finance, key areas we're going to be covering. Then taxation. I think over the period, we've received a couple of questions coming from people that, Nhyira, you are not covering a lot on taxation. You don't really have enough content on the channel on taxation. So This time around, we're going to be covering a couple of content as well on taxation. Now, this means that level 2, principle of taxation, and then level 3, advanced taxation, we're going to be releasing content, or I'm going to be teaching live on the live stream. A couple of content will be treated or released on taxation. So that is another area we're going to be looking at issues like chargeable income of individuals, chargeable income of partners of a partnership business, corporate tax liabilities, value-added tax, withholding tax, fiscal policy, chargeable gains, and all of those things. Now, remember, now we're going to be using Ghana, we're going to be using the Act 2007, the new 2020 Act, that is going to become effective. And under that Act, a couple of things have changed, a couple of treatments have been added, and a couple of things have been upgraded. So you're going to make sure you understand all of that as you continue with your discussion. Chibozu Okoye, if I butcher your name, forgive me, okay? Okoye, let me stay with Okoye. Chibozu Okoye. Okay. Good evening, sir. I'm watching from Nigeria. All right, what's up? Thank you from Nigeria. I would appreciate if you can provide more lectures on financial instruments for SBR, corporate reporting. Okay, financial instruments. That's okay. But let me state that we already have some content on financial instruments on the channel. So in the meantime, Okoye, you can check the channel. You go to the playlist, and then the playlist titled Accounting Standard Series. As of today, there are 52 videos in there, and there are a couple of videos there on financial instruments, okay, on financial instruments. So in the meantime, you can start with that as we prep ourselves to go into covering it in detail in strategic business reporting. That's ACCA corporate reporting. Then Yaya said, how can I go through the process of being part of your private class? Okay, Yaya, you can call this, you can WhatsApp this number, 0501149296. Outside Ghana, you add +233. So when you WhatsApp the line, details of how you can register on our portal will be provided, payment mode will be given to you, and then your enrollment will be done, and you can study directly under my membership. So you can still channel all of those to this line, +2335011499296, +2335011499296, and we will be able to provide you with any assistance you need to prepare for your exit. Okay. So we're going to be providing some content on tax. That's going to be very critical, level 2 tax and level 3 tax. Then another subject that we've received requests that we are not covering a lot, especially from some people, from people in a couple of comments coming in from, requests coming in from South Africa, and I think also Zimbabwe, is financial management. And yes, again, we don't have a lot of content on the channel presently or currently covering a lot of things in financial management. So again, that is also another topical area or subject that we're going to be covering in this series. Now, so far, I've received a couple of 3 topics, all pointing out to financial reporting and corporate reporting. That is cash flow statements, consolidated financial statements, and then the financial instruments. So these are the 3 key things that we've received so far. And like I said, our teaching or lectures will be covering these areas as we proceeded. Other topical or other subjects may be added as and when we continue with the discussion so that we will be able to understand all of that. Eureka said, cost accounting on joint product and byproduct, please. Okay, so that is process costing. If I get you right, process costing dealing with joint products and byproducts. So let's add that here. Process costing. And that that is, like you mentioned, dealing with joint byproducts and then joint products. So that is great. That is in management accounting, and cost accounting is just the junior brother of management accounting. So we're going to be covering that as well as we proceed later in our discussion. Yaya said, okay, sir, I will do so. Thanks so much. Much love also. I promise you I will chat with you on WhatsApp. All right. So you send a message on WhatsApp and then you will be given whatever guidelines that you need. Okay. Any other questions? Any other comments for me real quick? So like I mentioned, wanted to find out and then come your way. It's been a long time since I did a live stream, and I missed you guys, and I wanted to come your way and then share what we are doing. There are a couple of other things, other huge announcements that will be coming in as and when we proceed. The month of August is actually a month that is full of a lot of things that we are going to be making notice to you. So as we go ahead, the notice will be given to you. Samuel Quason, I see you. You are welcome to the stream. I hope you are doing well and you are chillaxing and relaxing for your results to be released, so that you know the way forward in that case. Give us a thumbs up on the video when you join the stream. That way we get more engagement on the video, and YouTube will be able to push the video so we can reach other students just like you and provide them with the assistance. Andrew Opombe. Hi Andrew, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. It's been a long time since I heard from you guys, and I hope you are in there doing well and also prepping yourself up for the next examination, and most importantly, you are working hard to make yourself better. Thank you. I see some of you with a thumbs up. Thank you very much. Really appreciate the thumbs up on the video, because that is what YouTube wants. The more engaged the video is, the more they will be able to push the video, and we can together grow this channel and reach as many students as possible. Right. So financial reporting and his brother corporate reporting, management accounting, public sector accounting and finance, taxation, that is principle of taxation level 2 and advanced taxation in level 3, and then financial management. So these are the major subjects that we're going to be covering content on, especially this season on the channel. It's a new season on the channel, and then we'll be covering topics on these subjects. Now, so far I have received process costing in management accounting or cost accounting, and then cash flow statement, financial reporting, corporate reporting, and then consolidated financial statements also in financial reporting or corporate reporting, and then financial instruments also in financial reporting or corporate reporting. So it's a great thing. Whatever it is that you want me to cover, you put it in the comment box, you put it in the chat box. Topics, okay, give me topics, and then I will be able to look at them and then plan our schedules around that. This is what we want to do this season. We want to be able to publish the timetable so that the whole week, Monday to Friday, if it is Monday to Friday, you will know the topics that we are treating in what subject. So if you are doing that, you'll be able to use that to plan yourself, plan your week, so you'll be on the stream with me and join me on the live stream. So as I'm teaching, any questions you have, you put it down, then I'll be able to answer. That is what we want to do this time around, so that you have ahead of time the subject that we'll be treating, the topic that we'll be looking at, so that way you'll be able to plan better for the examination. Okay. All right. So these are the key subjects for the season that we are starting now, and we'll be covering content on this in these areas. Now, like I said earlier, meaning after the exams, I did a live stream and discussed a couple of issues. It's always important for you to start studying as early as possible. Okay? Start studying as early as possible, and please prep yourself up and don't wait 2 weeks to the exams, 3 weeks to the exams, 1 month to the exams, and start being serious. Be serious now. Be serious from now till the exams. And when you do that, you'll be able to actually position yourself. You'll be able to actually prepare yourself well for the examination. And please, don't overload yourself. Don't overload yourself that, oh, I'm going to write 5 subjects. I'm going to write 3 subjects. I'm going to write 4 papers. No. Look at your schedules. Look at your schedules. Do you have the time available to actually write the number of subjects you claim you want to write? Do you actually have the time available? If yes, go for it. If no, don't rush. Don't do anything that will cause you to actually have any difficulties or to have any challenges. So when selecting the subject, select wisely. And then also some subjects are interconnected and interrelated. So if you're in level 3 and then you want to write 2 papers, advanced audit and assurance and corporate reporting is the best fit for you to do. It's the best combination for you to look out for. If you're in level 2, you are now starting out, financial reporting, public sector is a good combination to do. If you're already written public sector, financial reporting and MA is a good combination for you to do. Financial management, principle of tax, these are on their own. They don't have any relationship. So if you're merging them with any paper, you know that they don't have much relationship, close to 0 relationship. Hence, you're not going to be having anything in that case. So please take note of these things. Start early. Attend lectures, please. Don't say, Nhyira, last semester I attended lectures, but I didn't write the exams. So this semester I am waiting and I'll join revision session. Don't do that. Do not do that. Okay? Because when you do that, you are telling your mind that, oh, I know already and I just need a revision and I'll be fine. No, you don't know. Okay? You don't know already. You don't know as much as you think. So I will entreat you, attend lectures. Look for a tuition center that is closer to you. Go to the ICA website, look at a partner in learning, look at one that is closer to you, that is comfortable for you, and study there. Okay? Study there. This is very, very important. Attend lectures. And if it is possible for you to, then you can also study with us online or whatever it is. But whatever it is, I want you to join lectures. Attend lectures. Be part of a community. All right? Join a community. That way, you will be able to be on your toes. Assignments are given, and you'll be able to study for the exams. Okay. The laptop was going off, gotta plug it real fast. Some of questions said, what about auditing videos? Yeah, auditing videos. I think we've not also covered enough on that. So, auditing assurance, let me add it here. That was something that was on my mind. So, auditing assurance, definitely, because we've not covered as much content on audit and assurance. I wouldn't say as much content. I don't think we really have any content even on audit and assurance. Do we? I think we should have some 1 or 2 videos there. So some more questions, we'll be covering some content in those areas in that case, all right? Now, this is the challenge. This is the challenge, and I want you to get it very well. There are some of you, you will be like, Nhyira, I wish that you would do everything in financial reporting with us. I wish that you would do everything in MA with us. I wish that you would do everything in BSA with us. The truth of the matter is that I cannot do everything in these subjects. Are you getting it? Because we are limited on the time that we can be on the live stream, and the subjects are many, and I need to cover everything under them. Okay, so definitely we will not be covering as much as you think we need to cover. That is why this is a supplementary platform for you, but you need to attend lectures. And sometimes people are like, I'm looking for video on this, but it's not on the channel. If you are looking for any video and it's not on our channel, it's not on the channel, then it's part of our online course, because we have all of these courses available online that you can enroll in, and then you get access to the complete course. Okay, you get access to the full course. You'll be able to join our Zoom classes, our on-campus Zoom classes. Like today, we have advanced audit and assurance, and the Zoom session will be on. So others are on campus, others are joining via Zoom from their homes, and all of those things. So you can study. So sometimes you may want at something, but you cannot get all of them on the channel. That is why you would have to be part of a community. You have to be attending lectures, either somewhere or still attend lectures and study under my mentorship, so you can prepare well for the exam. So that is the challenge we have on not being able to really cover everything that you would want us to cover under all of the subject, because we want to make sure we serve everybody a little bit, assist everybody. That is why if you watch closely, I usually take the critical topics in these areas, then I talk about them. So if you come to financial reporting and corporate reporting, that is why we have a lot of content on IASs and IFRS. That's the accounting standards, because these are critical areas, these are crucial areas, okay? Then someone was asking about cash flow statements. That's another key area, single entity financial statement. But we've not really covered a lot on this channel. This season, we'll be doing a lot on the channel, but we will always be limited. So that is also something that you need to understand there. That's something you need to understand there. So Festus, Bruce, I see you. You are welcome to the stream. I hope you're doing well, Festus. So these are a couple of things you need to understand about our preparation for the new season that we are going into for our live streams. And like I said, we'll be covering content on these subjects, and some topics will be picked and will be discussed and talked about. Samuel Quason said, I think we have one or two on strategic case study too, but not much. Yeah. Strategic case study too, we don't have a lot of content on that, especially the modules. We don't have a lot of content on that. I understand that very well. So we will try as much as possible and then touch on some of these things. And then this season also, I'll be hosting some sessions, some private sessions dedicated to students who have sat for the exams before and for some reasons they did not pass, maybe financial reporting or corporate reporting, or maybe you wrote stats but you did not pass and you are resitting for the exams. I'll be hosting some free sessions exclusively on Zoom. It's going to be free. Nobody's going to charge you for anything. I'm going to be hosting some free sessions that you can join, and that is a free session, and then we'll be able to look at where you fell short, the challenges that you had, and then we'll be able to reposition you, provide you with the assistance that you need so that you can prepare well for the exam. So as part of our plans, these sessions, the content we'll be releasing these sessions, those free sessions via Zoom will also be coming in, where we are prepping people who are having those challenges as well. Chumesi Jeff Dankwa said, thank you very much, Nhyira. Please, I want to write FR. Please, can I WhatsApp you now for more details? Yes, you can WhatsApp 050-114-9296. So, Chumesi Jeff, you can WhatsApp for any details you want. 050-114-9296. 050-114-9296, and then details will be sent to you. Samuel Quason said, but I must say, your videos have really helped me a lot. I owe a lot to you. Wow, that is great to hear. That is great to hear. My objective is to be able to really provide you with the content that you need so you can prepare for the exam. So if it has been helpful to you, that is what I want, okay? I just thank God that it's been able to help you, and that is great. so that you can actually prepare for your exams. Abdullah said, to be unique, I would suggest forensic accounting videos. Forensic accounting, okay. Forensic accounting. I think we've had a couple of queries about content on this as well. So we're going to consider it. I'm going to consider it as part of the list of the topics. And then as we go ahead or move ahead, we'll be sharing some thoughts and touching on that as well. So I think that is okay in there. All right. So thank you very much for joining the stream. It's always a pleasure coming your way to provide you with some assistance. Like I said today, we wanted to just have an overview and look at our new setup and find out if our sound is okay on YouTube, if the video is okay, and those kind of things, and then provide you with the way forward and what we want to discuss going forward. So we're going to be covering content in these areas. And then also, if you have any questions, you know what to do. You can reach us on 050-114-9296, 050-114-9296. If you are outside Ghana, you add +233 to it, and that's the country code. +233 is the country code. In that case, the 0 will not count. Then you start with 50-114-9296, and you can reach us for any inquiry, and we'll be able to assist you. So we are preparing ourselves up, and then, God willing, Monday, we're going to start with our new season on the live stream, and we're going to be covering topics in here. In case you don't follow me already on Instagram, I will entreat you to follow me on Instagram, because the meeting details for each day will be posted on Instagram in the morning, so that you will know what will be covered for that day. Then it will help you to be able to schedule yourself and prepare yourself to join the live stream. And most importantly, I would want to also be answering your questions on the live stream. So you come up with the questions, you come up with the areas you have challenges with, and I'll be able to provide you with some strategies on that. Okoye said, what do you think about the new SBR? I observed it doesn't involve a lot of calculations like corporate reporting. Yes, it's because of the structure of the exams. Even though there are not enough calculations, you require those calculations to strategically write the exams and make a lot of comments. So yes, you will see a lot of calculations in there, but it requires a lot of implementation. So you're going to do just some simple computations, but the examiner this time around wants to find out the issues in relation to how you can apply the principles in a real-time case in that case. And I'll be covering a couple of content around SBR and a couple of content as well around SBL, Strategic Business Leader, in that case as we prepare for the exams. In that case as we prepare for the exams. Chumesi Jeff is asking, please, what's your IG handle? It's Nhyira Premium, the same name. So Nhyira Premium, the same name on my YouTube, is the same name on Instagram. Facebook is Nhyira Premium Official. So the handle is the same thing, Nhyira Premium. All right. So thank you very much for joining the stream. It's always a pleasure coming your way on the live stream and providing you with some assistance that you need in order for you to prepare well for your examination. So our new season is starting on Monday. We're going to try as much as possible, all that things being equal, and then kickstart with some key issues. You can, again, maybe later on, whatever topics you have, you can come back to the video and put it in the chat, in the comment box of the video, and I'll look at it as well, and that will help us to plan the contents that we need to plan going forward. But so far, what I have here is forensic accounting, process costing, cash flow statements, consolidated financial statements, and then the financial instruments. And so these are the topics I have here so far. But in this season, we'll be covering topics or contents in these subjects: financial accounting, management accounting, public sector accounting, taxation, both principle of taxation and advanced taxation, financial management, audit and assurance, and certainly other subjects will be added as and when we continue with the discussion. So thank you very much for joining the stream, and all of those, for those of you who gave us the thumbs up on the videos, thank you very much. All the chats in the chat box, thank you very much. Jacob, Eurita, Emmanuel Osei, Sadmat Gay, Kwesi Isaac, Kwachi Isaac, sorry, Yaya, Fofana, Abdullah, Mustafa, Mohammed, Samuel Adanu, Nana Atrem, Abdul Salam, Gloria, Kwesi Ofei, Okoye, Samuel Kwesin, Andrew Pombe, Festus Bruce, Chumesi, Jeff, Dankwa, all of you guys, all right? Thank you very much for joining the stream, and I'll see you on Monday, 4:30 p.m. as we begin the new season and see what we can do for this period. All the best, and you enjoy the rest of your week, and stay blessed. Bye-bye.